Just tell it to start, and it starts.
Start.
This is fun, like running around in the park.
And it's faster than rowing.
Faster.
Huh? Why is it going faster?
Faster.
Ah!
We'll save you, Dada. Whatever you do, don't say...
Don't say that word, Maya.
What word, Dada?
Faster!
Faster.
Ah!
Quick! Pull the emergency lever.
Wait!
Ah!
Are you all right, Dada-go?
Yes, but I might need to build up fitness before I do more running.
I've got the perfect machine for that, Dada-go.
What is it?
I call it the Shaker-Sizer. This plate vibrates your muscles all at once, so you can exercise without even moving.
Without moving, you say?
I'll show you. Maya, you can help. Just step onto the plate.
This one is nice and easy, Dada-go. You'll definitely like this.
All right. Here I go.
Careful of those controls, Dada-go.
Oh, no. Ah!
I just love muddy walks through the forest.
Hey, Fia, you almost got me muddy.
Sorry, Amir. It's just so much fun. Oh, no. I'm stuck. Pull. Tarring!
We should have worn our welly boots.
Thanks, Ahorja.
Wait, what's that sound?
Come on. It's coming from this way.
Maybe we shouldn't go towards the strange noise.
Rustigi! We're stuck, Blaheen. This branch is blocking our way.
Oh well, looks like we can't keep walking. Let's go to Pip's and get something nice to eat instead.
Oops, I keep forgetting you don't fly.
I know. Why don't we push it out of the way?
Great idea, Fia!
Listen.
RTÉ, let's go!
Huh? Oh no, Bamba's ranger's stuck in the mud, just like I was.
Here the yellow moids.
Why don't we push him free? Just like we pushed the branch off the path.
Great idea, Fia. On the count of 3, we push. A hand, a two, a three!
Huh?
I'm okay. Huh?
That didn't work. Look at this, Benji. Benji? Benji, are you there?
Sullivan?
Benji, where are you?
Well, I don't quite know. Where are you?
I don't know either.
So that means we're...
Lost!
Don't panic. We just have to both find our way back to the cave art.
It's okay. Take a deep breath.
I'm not sure how yet, but I'll figure something out.
And when you're calmer, retrace your... steps! I know what to do, Benji.
You do?
Follow our footprints and go back the way we came.
Marvelous mollusks. You're right. I'll meet you there. Ahoy, shipmate!
Benji!
Where is Joe? I am waiting for Dizzy deliveries. Hello. What's your name? Hiya, Ozzy. Do you know where Joe is? Uh-oh. Joe, hi! Hello! Hi! Joe, come back! Come back, it's this... hello, Joe?
Ah! Hello, Donald.
Okay, so, Joe, it's just through here. Come on.
Look at it.
Joe? Joe! What's going on? Come on!
The smell of baking. I'm a really good baker. There you are. Hello, I'm Joe.
Hello, I'm Ella. Julie says hello.
Hello, Julie. Donald, when can we start baking?
Well, we first have to wash our hands.
I knew that. We have to wash our hands.
But wait, what's this? It's Santa Claus. How did Santa fit all those presents in there? Maya and her family are going to have a very Merry Christmas this year. Ho, ho, ho! Milk and cookies!
Santa?
Oh, dear. Phew, I'll just take these for the journey. Ho, ho, ho! What was that? Well, I better get this little one to bed. Come on, Maya. Oh, it's Christmas morning at last. And Mayago has slept right through the night.
Dada! Wake up!
Huh? What's going on?
We fell asleep! What if Santa didn't get inside?
Oh, we can check under the Christmas tree.
Hooray!
What's all the noise, Maya?
He was here! He was here!
Oh, wonderful.
We still don't know how he was able to get inside with the presents.
I'm afraid we'll never really know the answer, Maya.
It's okay if we don't know, because we know that Santa knows.
I think you're right. Now, let's see what Santa's brought us, shall we?
Good old Santa. When it comes to making people happy, he always delivers. Ho, ho, ho!